Hey, dear cruise friends, I'm Tony, your cruise mentor, and with over 100 cruises as crew member and as guest, I'm taking you along today that we take a look at the Deluxe Balcony Cabin from MSC Cruises. We are today on MSC Seascape. It's a quite new ship from 2022 and I already took a sneak peek and I really like the cabin. And what is also interesting is that we got a free upgrade, even though as I'm recording this video right now, I have 0 followers on any channel. So hopefully in the future that might change. If you want to support me on this journey, just hit the subscribe button and in the future I can also show you more cabins. Let's take a closer look, and it's situated right here on deck 15. So if you have the possibility, maybe take a little bit lower so then you don't have the gap with the shade. I would always recommend take a cabin in the middle of the cruise ship if you have some routes where you say, oh, you maybe got some more storm and waves. I mean, we're doing now a Caribbean tour, so there will be not much waves anyways, and on the other hand, I'm already used to it from the past. The next thing that we're gonna take a look at is the bathroom, and to be honest, we got everything we need, and I already seen cabins for the shower that are smaller, so it's quite comfy. I also like the design. You have everything you need. Even with 2 people you can do a lot here, so it's really interesting. Okay, for the ladies also some equipments, and what I really like is that you have some kind of glass here, and especially down below if you have a lot of water, that it really stays here. So they did a proper job. Of course, the essentials you also got. So here a quick hack, if you want to hang your clothes, this is always a good way to do it. And now I will tell you some more details about this cabin. We got a deluxe balcony cabin, but of course there are even more categories that you can book. So I would say it's quite a standard balcony cabin, and we've got like 17 square meters, which is a good size, and I think it's also quite spacious. As you will see later on, the balcony can be around 5 to 9 square meters depending in which area you have booked it. And when I take a look around this cabin, I like the design. MSC, especially my first impression, it's more luxurious, as my girlfriend already mentioned. She likes it, and the first feeling that we get here. So let's take a closer look to the other things. First of all, what's interesting, that actually you would have the possibility to combine the cabins. So if you're traveling with more people, this would be one cabin category where you can also open the door. But of course, if you don't know the other person, you can always lock it. What else do we have? Of course, with the sofa, it's spacious, you have everything you need. What I'm missing a little bit is the possibility to put your luggage somewhere. Yeah, it depends, but of course we've got enough space over here, and also the possibility with the safe and enough storage. let's take a closer look concerning the minibar. Yeah, everything you need. If you need to do some work, you have some extra chairs for some friends who also want to sit here, then of course more possibilities to put in some of your stuff. Now what is always interesting is what kind of plugs they have, and of course we got the US plug, then USB-A. What I would highly recommend is always bring different adapters. Even I got like small adapters from USB-A to USB-C, which is also the newest standard, and of course also some more extension cables, then you're always on the safe side. And of course the European plug. When it comes to the trash bin, yeah, we got enough space and also the possibilities to separate it. The bed is, yeah, not too hard, not too soft, and I also like the possibilities that you can easily lean on. It's also leather, so very good to clean. You have here the mirror, you can just lay in bed and also take a look outside. What we're also gonna do soon. Here another angle for you. Of course the TV, you can also adjust everything. All right, yeah, nice possibility for the seating. And here we see the port of Miami. As you see, we're quite at the end of the ship. And here, let me know guys what you think about it in the comments, that you have a little bit this roof over here. My personal opinion, I would rather book 1 or 2 decks below, but later on just take a look at the other vlogs. There we see how much sun do we get or not. Just a quick update concerning the cabin. We are at the sea day today, and as you can see, we have the afternoon sun. So even though there's the roof, it's still a really great choice. If you have the chance, you definitely make the better choice with a balcony cabin. To give you an example, we paid around 560 bucks and actually booked the inside cabin, and the balcony cabin would have been around 750, 800 bucks, which is also not too much. So the gap is not too big. So if you have the possibility, take the balcony cabin. It's always a good choice. And as always guys, stay on course. Your cruise mentor, over and out.